Hi, welcome to Garfin's creation. This is a very easy and delicious kulfi recipe. The ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started. I have boiled half a liter full fat milk. This milk is not too hot, it's just warm. To this I'll be adding Gits Basundi mix. This is easily available in shops and online. This will make the kulfi quick, easy and tastier. Just stir it in and break all those lumps. Since the milk is warm, it gets dissolved quickly. And now to this I'll be adding 70 grams of Khoya or Mawa. This is unsweetened Mawa. I'll be stirring this too, and this too gets dissolved quickly. And now I'll be placing it on fire. Keep it on medium flame and keep stirring it continuously till you get a nice boil. This is a nice and quick and easy recipe. You do not have to stir too very long, and all the ingredients are already in the mix, so you don't have to add anything extra. You can also prepare this without the mawa, but I feel the mawa gives an extra texture and taste to it. In 2 minutes the milk starts boiling, and now we will lower the flame and we'll keep simmering it for around 10 to 15 minutes. As we have added mawa in this milk, keep stirring it continuously so that it does not get burned. Our kulfi mix is ready. It's been 12 minutes I've been stirring. I'll switch off the flame and let it cool completely. The kulfi mix is cooled down, and now we shall fill the molds. These ice cream sticks are available in stationery and art and craft shops. I'll be using this popsicle mold to fill the kulfi in. You can use whichever type of mold you have. The molds are full, and now I'll place the aluminium foil over it and make some tiny slits and insert the ice cream sticks into it. The ice cream sticks may pop up again, so after the kulfi is half frozen, just push them back inside, they will stay in place. The mold is now ready to go into the freezer. You can make kulfi in this silicone popsicle mold too. Placing the silicone mold on a tray so that it does not spill. I'll be filling 2 of these traditional kulfi molds too. Now I'll be placing all of these kulfi molds into the freezer section overnight or until it is fully set. I have taken some boiling water into this pan and be placing a bowl of 250 grams of white chocolate, and I'll be melting it over the double boiler. Once the kulfi is set, I'll be dipping them in this melted chocolate. We can also melt the chocolate in the microwave. I have used white compound from Vanleer. We can use any brand of white chocolate. Melting the white chocolate in this double boiler method is the safest, as white chocolate tends to heat up soon and also burns quickly. In a few minutes, the white chocolate gets melted. And now to this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can also add coconut oil to this. I have used 1 teaspoon sunflower oil. Mix it well till there are no lumps left in the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, remove the bowl out from the water bowl. Cleaning the lower part of the bowl with the tissue paper, as I do not want any steam or water droplet to fall into the chocolate, and that would ruin the chocolate completely. Now transfer the chocolate into a tall glass so we can dip the kulfi into it. Now I will let the chocolate come to room temperature. We cannot use warm chocolate to dip the kulfi into it. Prepare the chocolate only when the kulfi is ready and hard and set. Once you've removed it out from the freezer, unmold and dip it into the chocolate. The full recipe is in the description box below. Now once the kulfi have come out from the mold, you need to dip it quickly and get it out quickly. If you keep it more time in the chocolate, you will get a thicker coating to the kulfi. Let all the excess chocolate drip off, and then you can enjoy this yummy kulfi. It is all ready and set. So quickly the chocolate coats the kulfi. Before the kulfi melts, we need to dip it and get it out of the chocolate. The oil we had added earlier will keep the chocolate from hardening, but we have to make sure that we get the kulfi out of the chocolate soon. Now I'm adding some pista and almond flakes just to give another variation to the chocolate dip. You can also add some crushed peanuts into this chocolate mix. To unmold the kulfi from this mold, you can either keep it at room temperature for some time or add it to a bowl of water for a few minutes and the kulfi will come out. I'll be placing them in a bowl of water for a few minutes. Keep trying in between as they loosen up. Before the kulfi melts more, we need to dip it into the chocolate and get it out soon. Dipping the kulfi into the melted chocolate is optional. You can have the kulfi right away. It tastes yum as ever. Do try this delicious Mawa Kulfi this summer and you will love it. These kulfis I have not dipped in the melted chocolate, but they taste awesome. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Until we meet again, take care. Bye-bye.